Okay, I want to give a quick update on the building. Last time I took a video, I was doing insulation R25 on the walls. That's all done, and I'm gonna have the attic blown in once I'm finished with this. So the lights, you could see I ran 3 rows LEDs. These things are pretty nice. They're 2 foot long. Pretty soon you won't get anything but these. They're phasing everything else out. Not a lot of shattering. You can see there's a little bit on the other side of the car here up against the wall, but that to me looks, I mean, the video doesn't do it justice, but it works out pretty good. The walls, now I don't have vertical studs in here because it's a pole barn. So the wood goes horizontally, and I'm using 23/32. It's like basically 3/4 inch BC plywood. I ran all my wiring, and then run the wire through. You wire up the box with your outlet, and then you shove it in, and you screw it right to the wall. Which is partially why I went with 3/4. Plus, I want to be able to hang stuff on it. I don't want something bumping into it, poking a hole in it, and it's only a matter of a few dollars difference between this and 5/8, and go down to 1/2 inch, of course. So the type of electrical boxes I'm using are these Rayco boxes. You can pick them up at pretty much Lowe's, Home Depots, and all that. But you put the screws in right there. You just screw it right to the plywood. So I didn't get a lot of information online on how to do that. And here, this is code. I don't have to run conduit. You have to check your area, but I like running it flush with the wall. Now, I shot all the plywood with a laser. So you can see, I'll get down there. But the floor was put in first, so it's not even Steven with the bottom of the wall. So what I did, I took great stuff, put it in there under the gap, and then I cut it off. I bought this like insulation knife from Lowe's, and I cut the great stuff off flush, and then I fill the rest of it up. I do like Volcom caulk on it. This is really good stuff. I have some of this on my house. It's been here like 17 years, and it's still holding up outside. So that's why I think this is a good product. I mean, I've been using this since I've lived here. And I take this and just go right along. It's a little tool you can buy from Lowe's or Home Depots and all them box stores. But you can see, I'll get up close. There's a nice little finish on the bottom. You know, there's not a good way to do trim. And then when I paint it, I'll just put some cut off plywood on the floor, and I'm just going to spray it in that. So yeah, a lot of outlets. I went about a little over 8 foot per outlet. I mean, I'm not going to use them all, obviously, but I want to have an outlet wherever I need it. So if I need one in between a car to run a battery tender or whatever, you never know. I don't want to do the Clark Griswold Christmas Vacation lights situation here with extension cords and all that all over. So you can see here the great stuff is oozing out where I got to take and cut it off with that knife. I just cut it flush. Works out pretty slick. So this is where I'm at now. Come down here and then just show you. I got to keep moving. I want to get this done today, but right now it's 90 degrees outside. But this is the way I have to do it. Like I said, I didn't have good info online, but you know, pole barns, your wood goes horizontally, not vertically. So yeah, plywood's going up. Sub panels going here. So that's 2224 wire copper from the main panel down there. But it's a long ways. If I had to run all the way around here, you're well over 100 feet. And then, so I'm running my 120s off of here for this wall and my 220s. So the wood is all screwed in too. So if I ever have to take a wall down or panels down, say I want to run an extra line down there or 220 down there, if I bring a lift in here and it runs off 220, I'm not, you know, committed with nails and peeling the wood off. So that's why I did that. And then above, I'll have that tin. Same tin will be above here. And so that's kind of where I'm at. Got garage door openers in, jack shaft style, so I don't have all the chains and the brackets hanging from the ceiling. And they're a little expensive, but they're nice. They lock automatically when it shuts. So I still have to lay out my electric over here. But yeah, this is where I'm at. Just kind of want to be able to help somebody else out if they're doing a pole barn and kind of not sure. Maybe this will help you out, give you some ideas, because I really couldn't find good info. I bought a Lennox 200,000 BTU furnace. That's going to go up there. So I'll blow that way, and a ceiling fan will blow it down. I got an 8-foot ceiling fan there. So it's coming along. This is pretty much consuming all my time after working a weekend, so I haven't had any time to do fun stuff or do any car stuff, but pretty soon I'll do that. I'm going to US Nationals, so maybe I'll take a video of some cool stuff down there. We'll see. Okay, we'll catch you later.